Have you ever noticed how a good workout can completely shift your mood, leaving you feeling calmer and more focused? Why is it that moving our bodies has such a powerful impact on our minds? The relationship between physical fitness and mental health is profound and backed by scientific evidence. Fitness does far more than just strengthen our muscles or help us lose weight, it plays a crucial role in reducing stress and improving focus. Today, I want to explore how regular exercise can act as a natural remedy for mental health challenges and support our ability to stay mentally sharp. First, let's talk about stress reduction. When we experience stress, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. While short-term spikes in cortisol can be helpful in handling immediate challenges, chronic stress can lead to negative effects like anxiety, depression, and even physical illnesses. Regular physical activity, however, has been shown to lower cortisol levels and promote the release of endorphins, chemicals in the brain that act as natural mood lifters. A study published in the journal Psychosomatic Medicine found that aerobic exercise, such as jogging or cycling, significantly reduces cortisol levels while boosting endorphin levels in the brain. These endorphins interact with receptors in the brain to reduce the perception of pain and trigger positive feelings, often referred to as a runner's high. This natural boost in mood can make a huge difference in managing day-to-day stress and anxiety. But it's not just about stress reduction, exercise can also significantly improve focus and cognitive function. Regular physical activity has been linked to enhanced memory, faster information processing, and greater ability to concentrate. A study conducted at the University of British Columbia found that regular aerobic exercise increases the size of the hippocampus, the brain area involved in memory and learning. This change can lead to better mental clarity and improved focus. The science behind this involves a process called neurogenesis, which is the growth of new brain cells. When we engage in physical activity, especially aerobic exercise, the blood flow to the brain increases, and the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, supports the growth and survival of neurons. This boost in brain cell development can help sharpen focus and enhance problem-solving abilities, making it easier to tackle everyday tasks. Moreover, exercise also influences our mental state by regulating sleep patterns. Many people suffer from sleep issues due to stress, which in turn exacerbates difficulties in concentration. The American Psychological Association notes that individuals who engage in regular physical activity tend to experience more restful sleep, which directly contributes to their ability to stay focused and alert during the day. Let's not forget the power of mind-body exercises like yoga and Tai Chi. These practices not only enhance flexibility and strength but also incorporate mindfulness, a practice where you focus on being present in the moment. Research has shown that mindfulness-based exercises can reduce levels of anxiety and depression and improve overall mental resilience. A study published in the journal Frontiers in Psychiatry reported that individuals who practiced yoga showed significant reductions in stress levels and an improvement in their attention span. Fitness isn't just about the body, it's a holistic approach to health. A consistent routine can build resilience, boosting our capacity to cope with challenges, and instilling a sense of accomplishment that enhances self-esteem. Whether you're managing stress, seeking to improve focus, or simply looking to maintain overall well-being, fitness can be a powerful tool for self-care. To sum it up, incorporating fitness into your daily routine does more than just improve physical appearance. It has a powerful impact on mental health by reducing stress, improving focus, and even enhancing sleep quality. Whether it's through running, yoga, or weightlifting, regular exercise can serve as a natural and effective way to boost your mood and sharpen your mind. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed, consider a workout not just as a way to stay in shape, but as a way to take care of your mental well-being. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on health and wellness. Stay fit, stay flexed.